Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and if you've been following me for a while, you might remember a video I did where I was worried that I might have ruined the paint on my car with some bug stains. If you don't remember it, it's up here in the corner. Check it out. It's a good video. Now, we did get rid of all the bugs, so spoiler alert, but it left behind a problem. And in today's video, I want to show you how we're going to fix that problem. All right, so good news, right? All that polishing, all that waxing, all that elbow grease, it paid off. We got rid of all the bugs, but all that residue from the polish and wax, a lot of it got through the cracks in my hood and ended up staining the plastic trim in my frunk. And I have been trying to wash it off basically every time I wash the car, and it just doesn't go anywhere. Well, today we're gonna do something about that. Got a new product here from Chemical Guys, well, at least new to me. Let's see, Trim Clean Wax and Oil Remover. Purpose-built product for this job. So let's go ahead and test it out and see if it works. Let's go ahead and pop the frunk and take a look. So what we're going to do with this product is we are going to take one of our microfiber towels, also from Chemical Guys, and we're just going to spray the product directly onto the microfiber towel. Then it's really simple. Just go ahead and start scrubbing the area. If you need to add more product right onto the towel, and then you can go right back to it. As you can see on the upper portions where there's a little bit more plastic, we could actually spray it right onto the plastic. You could do that same thing in the lower portions as well. I just didn't want to get any runoff on the painted areas. After about 2 passes with the product over each of the affected areas, it is now completely gone, and I'm happy to report this product works perfectly. All right, so big success here with the Chemical Guys Trim Clean. Again, I'll have some links for you in the description down below. Check it out. You can get it right on Amazon. If you have one of the Chemical Guys detail garage locations in your area, I highly recommend checking them out in person. But that's it for now. We'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.